Here's how to highlight every other row in Excel using 3 methods, from quickest to most flexible. Start with Format as Table. It's the fastest option. Select the range of cells you want to format. Go to the Home tab and click Format as Table in the Styles group. Pick any table style that has alternate row shading. If your data has headers, check the My Table Has Headers box in the dialog, then click OK. Your rows will now alternate colors, and the banding continues automatically when you add more rows. If you want to keep the colors without the table functionality, select anywhere in the table, go to the Table Design tab, and click Convert to Range. If you need more control, use conditional formatting. Select the cells you want to format. Go to Home, click Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, type equals MOD of row of 2 equals 0. Click Format, select the Fill tab, pick your color, and click OK twice. All even rows will now be highlighted. The advantage here is that the formatting adjusts automatically if you sort or delete rows. The formula recalculates based on actual row numbers. For small, static datasets, you can highlight rows manually. Click the first cell of the row you want to highlight, hold Shift, and click the last cell in that row. Now hold Control, skip the next row, and select the following row the same way. Continue holding Control and selecting every other row until you've selected all the ones you want. Go to Home and click the Fill Color dropdown to apply your color. The rows stay highlighted, but this method won't adjust if you add or delete rows later. To edit a conditional formatting rule later, select the cells with the rule, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules, and click Edit Rule. To clear conditional formatting completely, select the cells, go to Home, click Clear, then Clear Formats. That's how to highlight every other row in Excel.